Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out on Discord. So basically what you want to do is go to Discord first and click on Discord right here. And what you want to do, so this is for Windows users. So click on Control, then the plus button. Click on Control, the plus button, so this will basically zoom in. And the opposite, for zoom out, click on Control plus the minus button or subtract button, just like so. So if you want to go back to the regular or default Discord zoom level, just need to click on Control plus 0. So that's it, guys. Control, then the cross button, Control plus the cross button to zoom in, Control plus the minus button to zoom out, and for a default zoom level, Control plus 0. There you go. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.